Do you want help marketing your listing on social media? Are you juggling multiple design apps instead of winning more listings? With the Falco Marketing Kit, you get a library of ready-to-share and customizable marketing materials right alongside your media delivery. When you receive your Falco Marketing Kit, it's ready to use. All you have to do is add any additional listing information and share it with your clients. No more messing around with zip folders and third-party graphic editors. You can edit, share, and download your Marketing Kit materials as much as needed. The Marketing Kit includes social media graphics and videos, sleek property sites with analytics, and printed listing flyers. And the Visual Media Editor makes it easier to customize graphics so they match your brand and work for every stage of the listing process. The Falco Marketing Kit saves you time and ensures your listing media looks as good as it can when you share it with your seller and potential buyers. Order yours today.